This is an ocean view stateroom on Disney Magic 1078. Here we got a split bathroom with a bath and a sink. And here we have another bathroom with a toilet and a sink. And here's me here waving. You've got a wardrobe here. Here I've got some drawers. And some glasses here. And there's a picture of Mr. and Mrs. Walt Disney. And he's got he's carrying like a Mickey Mouse. This is a king size bed. Oh, and here's a mirror again. Hello. And this is the settee, two nice bright red cushions here. And that in the evening the stateroom host turns it into a bed. So it makes it into a single bed for them. And here is a song here. It's called "A Dream Is a Wish Your Heart Makes," from the Cinderella film. This is my TV, and I got some more drawers up here. Got all these cupboards down here. And the mirror again. Hello! And these are the portholes. Got them, you can see here, got 2 portholes. And a nice view of the sea. And you got curtains here to close the. If you want to close the curtains, got curtains here. And also you got curtains here to make it into an extra room. Oh, I got alarm clock here, so I could have wake-up calls. And also here we got these cell phones that you can which enables us to contact everyone in your party, so you can find each other on the ship.